Welcome back to my channel everyone. I hope you are absolutely fine. So as I have promised, today we will have a shopping vlog. So without any further ado, let's get going. Yeah, yeah. Let me get a closer look. Shit, he felt disturbed and he stopped that. Never mind.
Don't let your kids watch it!
It is really peaceful over here. Okay guys, don't try this kind of stunt in your mohalla. So I'm in the graveyard now. They are bitching about the person in the grave. This is very bad practice. Don't do this kind of things. Also I have found this. It is a really nice idea for us Indians at least. You are safe from all your mohalle ke aunties. What? You don't know what mohalla aunties do? Narad. N-A-R-A-D. Google it and you will understand. This is for me because I am going to appear in the mass harassment program, also known as board exams, which are rescheduled to the peak corona month. Outstanding effort. This is the grave of my niece Lena.
This is about letting go.
I know.
I know you're chasing after the people that did this. Promise me you will stop. You can't save Lena.
Maybe she is right, but I can't walk away. I know family first, but I can't let go everything.
I can't change that.
Okay, so a crime is going to happen over here and I have to stop it. I am Chicago Shaktiman. तो पहले मुझे दरिंदे को ढूंढने का है, फिर उसको मारने का है. Oh, there he is. Oh shit, he fired. Oh, मैं बचा नहीं पाया यार. लेकिन इसको जाने नहीं देगा मैं. Shaktiman against crime. I'm sorry, Mota bhai. I couldn't save you. Yes, I did promise you that I will buy a new bike, but आज नहीं हुआ ये. Maybe we'll have it in the next vlog. Who knows? तो अपन का लक इतना अच्छा है कि पुलिस पीछे पड़ गई. बहुत बढ़िया. शिकागो विद बाइक चेस रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ धूम. चलो धूम मचाते हैं. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yes, yes, yes. That. How can there be any superhero without a costume? I'm going to buy a Shaktiman costume, guys. This shop has a very good collection. If you come to buy in this shop, please request them to
sponsor me.
Let's choose the most impactful costume. I appreciate a particular thing about these costumes. अलग से मुखौटा नहीं खरीदना पड़ेगा, इसके साथ मास्क फ्री है. I think this is going to be a better choice. ये हुई ना बात. मस्त जूते हैं लेकिन. I need to meet Jordi as early as I can. He has some work for me. I don't know why does he choose such odd locations.
Just get your ass down there, I got you covered. And don't kill the boss this time. You kinda need him. You think?
Nice. Guys, Jordi has not failed me. He has brought me another trouble. He is very good friend of mine. A guy who escaped the stadium is with my enemies now and very efficiently he will blow up my cover. He will blow my job. So I will have to go inside the enemy territory and find him. So I am inside the area which is heavily guarded and Jordi is sniping from the building. I bet he will not kill a single person. Ahimsavadi. Bad idea. पीछे क्या हूँ? वो देखो अतरंगी स्पाइडरमैन. उसको भी मारेगा मैं. I will camouflage with this red color structure. No, I don't want much more trouble. I will rush to my target. I have to be really stealthy, guys. Otherwise, I will be busted. I have to check my each and every step without making any noise. दरवाजे के बाहर ये जटायु कहाँ से आया? जॉर्डी बेटा, स्नाइपर लेके किसको ताड़ रहे हो तुम? एक काम नहीं होता इससे। और भौरचंद सब बढ़िया?
Hold on. Stop.
Who's assigned to the prison job?
What? Man, I don't know what you're talking about.
This is the expression of West Bengal people when they saw this tweet.
As a family. Looks like you got two lives going at once. Family man. Yeah, the kids are gonna be in college soon. And there's also the second life. Ghost accounts with a lot of money in them. Hey. Do you know that your name is tied to a whole bunch of cold cases?
Jai education system.
Cops would love a chat.
All right. Fuck. Prison job. It's Angelo Tucci. He's running a convoy.
Got everything I wanted to know. Thanks a lot.
I wouldn't know where to begin.
रुको जरा। It's me versus Jody. Who kills more? So I have got company. Bad company. तो अभी ये पूरी बानर सेना मुझ पे अटैक करेगी। मुझे यहाँ से बच के निकलना है।
किसी को भी बाहर नहीं जाने दूंगा।
This is not your day, mate, because we have शक्तिमान ओपी। तो आदमी डंडे से सबको पेल देता है, उसके हाथ में M416 थमा दिया। क्या होगा? मजे लूटो। Somebody taught me डंडा is the most important tool. क्या दोस्त, ताड़ना हो गया कंप्लीट? बेहतरीन शॉट। मैं हूँ आदत से मिशन फेल्ड। बंदे शाणा बन चुके हैं। सो आई एम सॉरी। ये मेरी धड़कन है, लेकिन फिर भी नहीं रुकेंगे ये लोग, मार के ही छोड़ेंगे मेरे को। Yes, his laser pointed on me. Shit. All cool now. Let me go and get him. Not a big deal. This is why I prefer डंडा। ये गन इतना रिकॉइल देता है ना, अभी बड़ी वाली को मारेंगे। हाँ चल पका मत। I am done and I have cleared all the threats. चल लाइक दबा। आज भी कोई तनाई वाला मोमेंट नहीं आएगा। देखो कॉपीराइट के चक्कर में नहीं पड़ने का है। Okay guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you have liked the vlog, please like it. Subscribe if you are new. और अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे और क्या। Till then, stay positive, be positive, but don't be corona positive. So I was running inside the city. इधर morning walk बिल्कुल safe है. So I spotted this frame, rather frames. Let's go and check it out. City looks fabulous during sunrise.